Okay, have you heard the saying, picture's worth a thousand words? Well, in mathematics, a picture may sometimes help us in aiding us in figuring out what the problem is talking about, and it helps us to better understand what we're dealing with. So, our project here, we're talking about proof without words, and we want to know, is it really something we can relate to? Rely on, or do we have to need something more other than the picture, right? Okay, so what are proofs? Proofs are logical mathematical arguments used to show the truth of a mathematical statement, and the results are often called theorems. A picture is just an illustration. And what is a picture proof? It's an illustration that proves logical theorems, right? So why are we doing this project? Picture proofs are, well, as I said before, can we really rely on what they say? And if so, or if we can rely truly on just the picture without any proof, like algebraic proof. If the picture is it enough for us to to trust that that theorem is true? Well, that's what we're gonna figure out here, and hopefully this project helps us in aiding us, like what we can do. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the history and of theorems, right? Well, proof. And then from there we'll go on to have some examples. But yeah, and then our conclusion if pictures are really helpful or not.